Lloyd's Tropical Bike Tours. We haven't been here in 2 years. Are you ready, Mel?
Ready. It's about that time.
Yeah, so since our last tour, obviously the channel's grown a bit, became good friends with Lloyd and just been following him and his experiences down here, and the man has an absolute passion and love for tropical fruits. He's gonna take us around downtown Key West by bicycle, so it'll be pretty epic. Hold tight. Hey, we did this tour together last time. Welcome back, cousin. What's up, man? Nice
Good to see you, buddy.
Yeah, ready to try fruit.
Woo! Ready? There's the man. Oh.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. Just like, hi! Grab a bike. Oh,
Are you blessing us?
here we go. How's it feel?
Feels nice. Oh.
Oh, it
smells
looks like it's
pretty
painful. I think you need a little extra.
Yeah.
Sienna. Can help with my pot. Dude, how you doing, man?
Sounds really concerned.
Good to see you. All right. Ring your bell.
We're bellless. You're the only one with the bell.
You get the Nobel Prize. Congratulations. Ah, suckers. Anybody's birthday today? Birthday girl.
We're all 30 already.
Okay, sing it, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Things have changed a bit since my last tour. You guys had a pretty major hurricane.
Oh yeah. Stopped me from having a tour for 63 days.
Wow.
Yeah. Tough, man. I was jonesing to do a bike tour again, and it's tough. But
Were you guys out of power down here for a while?
yeah, like a week.
A week? Okay.
Yeah, I was lucky though. I stayed in a house where a guy had a generator.
Oh, nice.
Man, you're not kidding. I had cold mangoes. I was delivering cold mangoes to people that were like dying for a cold drink, anything refrigerated. And I had cold giant mangoes. I was like the ultimate like Santa Claus. Lloyd, bring us ice. Yeah, I was like freezing up big chunks of ice and just bringing them to people. Yeah, it was, man, that was it. We're going up the big hill. This is it. Push. Climbing to an altitude of 18 feet above sea level. Better known as the highest point of the island here in Key West. Highest point of the island. 18 feet above sea level.
Oh, you're not even joking.
No. And I joke a lot. That house just sold for 1.2 million.
Oh my God.
Yeah, my rent's $2,600 and $25. Yeah.
1.2 million.
Yeah, 1.2.
Whoa.
Welcome to Key West. See, look, these are prickly pears. See any red ones? These are the prickly pears right here. They have to turn like crimson color. They're not ready yet. Sorry. Yeah, it's called the cannonball tree.
Wow, you can smell it already here.
It's the only one on the island.
You don't even have to.
You can stick your nose right in it. It's also like the Venus flytrap. If you put your finger like that,
That's so
it slowly
beautiful.
closes up. Yeah, you put your finger right there. Yeah.
Incredible.
It's the only one on the island.
Wow.
It's from some exotic rainforest somewhere far on the other side of the
That's
planet.
beautiful. There's so many flowers.
This is the only one in Key West. I've been looking for another one, another specimen. Whoa!
Did you stop over there once before with these people?
Yeah.
Hey! Hey, how's the weather up there?
Nice. Yeah.
Whoa!
I got one. Whoa!
Headache! He's coming down!
Oh, one-handed. Look how huge
It's raining gnips over here. Whoa, look at the size of that one. Whoa,
Load
that's a
it.
stud. Squeeze it out.
Hang on.
Oh, big bunch.
Girls gonna catch you.
Yeah!
Take a photo of that.
Good?
You go like this. You bust it and squeeze it out, and then
Oh my God, yum.
it's like applesauce. Honest. So good.
That's really good.
Pretty good. All right. Spanish lime. Oh, that's how you do it. You drop the bucket out of the tree. That's got tricks over here. Keep up the good work.
You too.
I got it.
What? How'd you get those?
Pesh.
You asking for those?
Yeah.
What is that?
Hawaiian leg.
Look, it looks good on her.
Oh.
Nice.
Ellie, it looks good.
I'm gonna decorate.
That's awesome.
Here's mine.
Smells like fruit.
Dark hair.
Goes good with the dark hair.
Yeah.
But it's right.
Yeah, it's a little guy.
It twisted right off. So
All right, we
it's
gotta get that
perfectly
big
right.
guy. All right, let's go around the other side. Ow, ow. It's got massive stickers.
What are these called?
There. See? Yeah. It's called a Carissa. Let's get out of here.
What is
Tastes
that?
like pixie sticks. You know the powder that comes in straws?
Yeah.
The old tastes like those little dots that came on wax paper. Remember those dots you used to bite them off with your teeth?
I used to love
They're very tart and sweet. I don't know, kind of raspberry-like, and the juice is amazing. Here, let's get a close-up of the juice.
At least I got a good manicure.
Watch the color of this fruit, the color of the juice. Matches. Oh,
Wow.
wait, it matches the nails. It matches her nails.
Oh my god.
Make it like a reservoir.
Taste that now.
Yeah, there you
I
go.
have to taste.
Slurp it.
Huh.
Nice.
What's it taste like?
Oh.
It's sweet. Just very sweet, and
You're losing it.
it's not sour at all.
Oh, it is like real sweet. Wow.
Look, knuckle dent over
That's
here.
delicious.
Knuckle dent.
She has like she has a little cup right there.
Knuckle up.
Ba, 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 ba,
Look at
ba.
that.
No, you're letting it get away.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Oh, that is good. That's good.
Thank you.
good.
Oh, it's really sweet. Yeah.
Anyway,
Do you have to massage them to make them sweet? Like if you just I got a knuckle dent too. Sweet. I've never actually bitten it.
That's good. Yeah.
you're professional. Look at that.
Tastes like
This is my third
You'll
one.
load her
The
up.
last, I love this
Look,
one.
look at the color. Crimson. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, look at me.
Lloyd, I have a feeling you've put some time in on these tennis courts.
Oh yeah.
Just about as much as you have on the fruit tours, huh?
I got the body, worn out body to prove it. Spinal stenosis.
Is that your sport of choice out here?
Meniscus problems.
Oh man.
Yeah, I keep hitting the ball though.
Okay.
Yeah. Next up, the Worcestershire sauce tree. Worcestershire sauce tree. There's little Worcestershire's growing on it. Yeah, yeah. Well, one of the main ingredients of the Worcestershire sauce grows on trees.
I'm ready.
Yeah, 2 blocks.
Oh, I love those. What? They're. Oh, I love those.
I don't know what giant penis.
Yeah.
Like a peanut made of
Yes, they're so good, you guys. They're like that sweet and sour
Yes.
at the same time. It's so nice.
No good original old-fashioned Worcestershire sauce recipe does not have this in it. The tamarind.
They're really popular.
Yeah,
Oh, that's good.
yeah. These are tangy sour. These are not the commercially grown ones. These are wild tamarinds.
Oh, so good.
I like them when they're cooked.
You like them when they're cooked?
Nature's warhead.
Nature's warhead, okay.
Atomic blast, baby.
Whoa, I like that face.
It's pretty sour. Yeah.
It's like a date. Everybody's like,
Wow.
everybody's like this.
They're just like
Have you tried it? You're the only one not making the face.
Yeah, it's a little sour.
kids like them.
It tastes like a date.
It's good, but everybody's like,
But like it's not as sweet.
but I'm like,
Face is out of control.
But it's worth it. You just gotta put your lips on it, taste a little bit of it.
My mom would be like,
It's so good. Look at that seed. Beautiful seed right there. Yeah.
wow.
it'd
You
be
know,
really good in a smoothie or like.
Back in the 70s, down in Mallory Square, all the hippies were making beautiful necklaces and bracelets and jewelry. And tamarind seeds are one of the all-time favorite, seeds to use as beads. Yeah, you got to drill this one. It's hard. You bite down on this, you can say goodbye to that crown.
Make some jewelry, huh?
Oh yeah, absolutely, absolutely. They make candy with it in Mexico. They make soda.
Nature's Warhead, I like that.
Famous writer's house. Did you see the cat run across the roof? Up there? How about Stella? Tennessee Williams, she said. She got the bell. She got the bell. So yeah, she wrote Cat on a Hot Tin Roof, Streetcar Named Desire, The Night of the Iguana, The Rose Tattoo, The Glass Menagerie. Yeah.
Have you read all of them?
Absolutely not. Up above your head. There they are. This one doesn't have a lot on it, but you see it? Sapodilla. Right there. And then, dun 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 dun.
This is so good.
It smells
I like it a lot. I like it a lot.
It's really good. Yeah.
It's like apple pie. It's like apple pie crust. It's like an apple pie.
Sapodilla.
I swear.
It doesn't.
No, not double dip.
Something I've definitely noticed since the hurricane, these are the only trees that are, well, some of the only trees that are really standing out here still. So super wind tolerant, super salt tolerant. For those of you guys watching that live near the water, Sapodilla is a must plant. We've got a little guild right here of sea grape, tropical almond, Sapodilla.
And the chicken catcher right here.
And the chicken catcher right there.
The Americans say
So Lloyd just said that most of the people down here in the Keys don't even take advantage of these trees. They're not eating these fruits. Most of this stuff just falls on the ground and rots. You know, like the tamarind, like the Sapodilla, probably the mangoes. Unfortunately, there's not a real love for tropical fruit plantings out here. So that's what Lloyd's out here trying to promote, trying to get the word out about. If you guys come to the Keys, you definitely need to take this tour. Epic. Oh, it's an old buttonwood.
It's a buttonwood. It's about a 200, 300-year-old buttonwood.
Wow.
That was there before the island was settled.
Wow, so Steven said this was a 200 or 300-year-old tree that was here before the island was even settled. Steven actually lives out here in Key West. We met him on our last bike tour here, so this is our second tour with him. He actually rearranged his work schedule to be out here with us today. That tree was epic. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Look, iguana mouth, right there. Yeah.
What do we got?
Barbados cherries. Yeah, but it's not. It's just swinging around for another round. You know, it's been firing out hundreds of these things, but it's mostly flowering. See, here's the flowers.
Fruits coming on.
Yeah, they're really young. You can still taste the juice though.
Oh, yeah, I see him.
Where?
He's up there.
How come I
He's moving around on the top.
Are you serious?
Oh wow,
really hard to
that is
see.
delicious. That's really good.
Just got your vitamin C content for the day.
Let's do it. Yeah.
She's a paid actress.
Donna Meredith.
You know.
Squirt.
All right.
Oh, one drop is like 10 oranges.
It's pretty good.
One drop.
Combination sweet. Yeah.
That was good. That was good.
Ooh.
Okay.
Got my vitamins.
Wow.
It's almost like
That's
a,
good.
It's
I
almost
like
like
that
an
one.
apple. It's almost,
like wet.
yeah, it's apple-ish.
Apple-ish, you feeling the apple too?
I feel apple.
I feel like it's one of those. This is gorgeous, man. You can take so many photos. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. What? Oh, that's
East Indian tropical sweet almond. First we hack off the husk area. Live on Lloyd's bike tour. It's mango time. That's a serious time in my life.